Hey guys, what is going on? I'm going to be reviewing the Samsung water filter today, and also you're going to see me install it on my Samsung refrigerator. Unfortunately, I live in a town where there is hard water. It's not the best quality drinking water, so having this filter and having it be really high quality is very important to me. So for some time, I've had this flashing warning signal to replace the filter, and so today I'm going to be doing that. Now, when it comes to your water quality, you don't want to cheap out and you don't want to go with a third-party filter because it's going to end up costing you in the end. You're not going to get the best water filtration, and this is one of the most important things for us to filter out is our water. So as I'm recording this voiceover, I've been using this water filter for about 6 months. And so in those 6 months, I have not had any issue with the taste of the water or the performance of the filter. It has been a high performing filter and I'm very satisfied with it. So to install this filter, I'm going to be uninstalling the cap. And you can see right there in the middle where it says water filter, you're going to have to flip up the plastic and then we're going to twist out the old filter. Now, once you take off the cap, you can take a look at those rubber seal rings and make sure that they're not damaged or, coming off. If they're in the right position, then you can leave it, but make sure of that because that's going to be really important when you're installing this. So now we remove turning counterclockwise, and if you will just turn it 180 degrees and you'll be able to pull out this old water filter. It's the same exact water filter that was pre-installed on this refrigerator when I first got it. This is the original. This is the first time I'm replacing this filter. In this video, I'm also going to show you how to remove the filter warning. All right, so we place it in this manner where we basically will turn it to where it's in the locked position. And that's all there is to it. That's all there is to installing this water filter. Now, this is a high quality filter. I'm very happy to have installed it and not have cheaped out on something else. All right, so I highly recommend this Samsung water filter. You can stay tuned for instructions on how to reset this replace filter warning.